Can I say?
Yes, please.
We add them
We add the exponent in case if we have the same variable, right?
the same.
So in case we have the same variable, then we will add the exponent. Then in question number 5, we are going to distribute 5k over all the numbers in the parentheses. So we will start, this is first, second, and then third. Then it will be 5 multiplied by 2. It will be how many? 5 multiplied by 2. It will be
10.
10.
10.
Okay? Then 10 k to the power 10k to the power of what?
4.
4.
4. From where we get 4? Because we are going to add 1 plus 3 equal 4. After that, 5 times negative 7, it will be negative
Negative 35.
35. And then k times k square, it will be k to the power of
3.
3. And then the last one, 5 times negative 3, it will be equal negative 15k. We will continue or we will stop? Hmm. Stop or
No, stop.
stop. Why? Because we have different what? Huh?
Powers.
This is unlike term now. K to the power of 4, k to the power of 3, k, these are unlike terms, so we can't continue and we can't combine them together. Okay? Yes, yeah, Ahmed.
مس هو ممكن حضرتك تعملي نمبر 2.
Number 2. Okay, with all my pleasure. Understood number 5?
Yes, thank you.
Good. Number 2, we will use the same method. Then negative 8 times 5, it will be negative 40. Then b power 2 and b power 2. We will put b and b, they are like term, right? Then once we have like term, so we will add the exponent 2 plus 2, it will be equal 4. And c power 2, I don't have any like term, so we are going to keep it the same. So it will be c power 4. So in this question, we have number, coefficient multiplied by coefficient. After that, we have a variable b and d. Then we will go directly and we will add the exponents together. C power 2, I don't have any other like term, so we have to keep it the same. Okay, any other question in the first part?
No, thank you.
We will move to the second part, which is talking about, sorry, which is talking about division. In division, what we have to do with the exponent? With division, what we have to do with exponents, grade 8, we will
The coefficient divide and the powers we will minus.
subtract, exactly. So we will divide the coefficient and then we will subtract the exponent. This is in case we have the same variable. Then we will start with the first term divided by the divisor, 3x. Then 9x to the power of 4 divided by 3x. 9 divided by 3, it will be equal 3. And then we will subtract the exponents, x power 4 and x, it will be x to the power of 3. Then 12 divided by 3, it will be equal 4 x to the power of 2. and then negative 18 divided by 3, it will be negative 6, and then we will subtract the exponent, so it will be equal x. Then we will stop because we have unlike terms, so this is the final answer. Okay, any other question?
Yes.
Yes?
What if they are not like terms with يعني 3x?
We will keep it the same. We will keep it the same. I want also to check with you question number 6. In question number 6, in the numerator, we have 5k times negative 8k to the power of 5 divided by 10k to the power of 3. In this case, we have to multiply a numerator together, right? Then we will divide. For all the previous questions, we will divide the expression and we will divide each term by the divisor. But in this case, it's multiplication. So we have to simplify the numerator first. We will multiply the numerator first, like 5 times negative 8, it will be equal negative 40. And then negative 40. And then k times k power 5, it will be k power what?
6.
K power 6, yes. And then we will put 10 k power 3. After that, we will start to divide the coefficient first, then negative 40 divided by 10, it will be equal negative 4. And then k power 6 divide k power 3, it will be equal k power what? Power 3. And this is the final answer. So don't forget, in case if you have expression, add and plus and minus, then you will not simplify first. You will just divide. And you can answer this question by divided expression into two parts. If you like this way, then you can make a power 3 b c power 4 d power 2 plus 4 a power 4 b power 2 c, and then you will divide it each one by the divisor, like a square bc. Okay, and the second one, a square bc. Okay, then you can answer the question directly. Just take the first term divided by 3x, second term divided by 3x, and so on. If you want to separate the question like this, it's up to you, no problem. Then now you will start to divide a power 3 divided a square, it will be only a. And then b with b, we will cancel them together. Then c squared divided c, it will be c. And then d power of 2, right? We don't have any partner, so it will be the same, d power of 2. Okay, I'm correct? So a power 3 divided a power 2, a, b power 4, sorry, b divided b cancel, c power 4 divided c, it will be c power 3. And then we will keep d power 4, d power 2 because we don't have d in the divisor. Then plus 4 divided 1, it will be equal 4. and then a power 4, a power 2, it will be a power 2, and b power 2 with b, it will be only b, and c with c, we will cancel them together. Okay, so you have different ways to divide in case if you have expression, monomial or binomial or trinomial divided by monomial. Okay, any question about this part, grade 8? Any question about this part? Then you will distribute 2x and then open a parentheses, 3x minus 5, and then plus 3x minus 5. Then what is the next step?
Also multiply 3.
Yes.
Oh, did خلاص.
Yes, we will
Distribute بقى.
yes, we will distribute. And with multiplication, we are going to add the exponents in case we have the same variable, right? So it will be like this by multiplication. So the answer, it will be 2 times 3, it will be 6x to the power of 2 minus 2x times 5, it will be negative 10x plus 3 times 3, x will be 9x minus 15.
Miss,
Yes,
Nata, can't we just multiply 2x times 3x and 3x minus 5? 3, sorry, minus 5?
again, please.
Can't we just say 2x times 3x and 3 times negative 5?
No, we have to distribute the first term with all the second parentheses, and then the second term with all the second parentheses, because by the end we want multiply the two binomials together. So this is the first method to divide. We will divide the first binomial into two parts, and then we will use the first one with all the parentheses, and then the second with all the parentheses. Now we finished till this point. You can find any like term in this question, grade 8, I'm sorry. You can find any like term here.
Yes.
Which is?
10x and 9x.
Yes. Here. So we have like term. Then in this case, we will combine them together to put our answer in simplest form. So we have 6x to the power of 2, negative 10 plus 9, now it will be negative x, and then minus 15. Right?
Shouldn't negative x be power 2? Because
No, we said in adding and subtracting, don't touch the power, right? Add and subtract, keep the power the same. Multiplication, add the exponent. Division, subtract the exponent. Could you please say again? Add and subtract. Add and subtract. Don't touch the power. Keep it the same. Freeze. It was x and x, so freeze. Keep it x. But multiplication, you will add the exponents. Division, you will subtract the exponents. Okay? So this is the first method which we studied it yesterday. Today we have another method. This method is called FOIL method. FOIL method. So how we will solve this question? By using FOIL method. The same question, yes, the same question we are going to answer it by in a different way. So first, we want to know what each letter in this word donate for. So F donate for something, O donate for something, I and L. Anyone know?
Miss, can I say?
Yes,
I think F is for first,
yes,
O outside, and I inside.
yes, very good. So this is first, and O talk about outer, right?
Mm,
Outer, and I donate for inner. We can say inner or inside. It's up to you. And the last one, L for last. Okay, thank you. Then we have F for first, O for outer, I for inner, L for last. Now we are going to write the question, the same question. It was 2x plus 3 multiply 3x minus 5. Now, where is first and first? Where is first? Grade 7. This is represent first in the first parentheses, and this is first in the first parentheses, okay? So this is first and first. So the first step here, we are going to multiply first and first. Then first multiply by first, it will be how many? 2x multiply by 3x, it will be how many?
6x.
6x what? 6
Power of 2.
yes, 6x power 2, yes. Okay, so don't forget
Miss,
me.
this is the way that I was talking about in the last time. This was my question. Can't we just make them multiply?
No, not with the first one only. We have
And
four
the
steps.
second one.
We have 4 steps, yes, yeah, Hannah. Okay? Not the first one only. I'm correct?
Okay.
So 2x times 3x, it will be 6x squared. After that, where is the outer? So this is the outer. So this is called outer terms. Then 2x multiply by negative 5. It will be how many? It will be negative 10x. And then the inner, it will be 9x. And then we will multiply last with last. We will multiply last with last. So where is last? This one represent last. 3 times negative 5. Last with last. It will be negative 15. Then, do we have any like term in this expression now? Do we have any like term?
Yes.
Yes. Where?
Negative 10x and 9x.
Yes, negative 10x and 9x. So the answer by the end, it will be 6x to the power of 2. And we will simplify. Negative 10x plus 9x, it will be negative x minus 15. Then now we have 2 different methods. First method, you can expand the first exponent and then you will multiply it over the second exponent. The second method, we are going to use which method? FOIL method. And what's F donated for?
First, outer, inner, last.
First, outer, I, inner, and then L last. Okay? Once you have a like term, then you are going to combine them together. So you can imagine that here you have Mr. Smiley, right? And he said for grade 9, good morning. Did you see him? For grade 8, did you see him? Okay? Then again, what's the FOIL method donate for? Grade 8, you can hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we stop till which part?
The FOIL method.
FOIL method. Now I'm going to write a question and you will try to find the answer. Okay? 3x minus 5 times 2x minus 7. How you will find the
Yes,
answer?
can I answer?
How you will, I want everyone to try first. Please, everyone try to find the answer. When you will be ready, please raise your hand. When you will be ready, please raise your hand.
Miss, you want the final answer only?
Sorry?
You want the final answer only?
Yes, you will multiply it and then tell me what is the answer for this question. It's a 3x minus 5 and 2x minus 7.
Miss, with FOIL method or any method we
Yes,
want?
FOIL method, please. We want to make practice about FOIL method. We said how we can use FOIL method, huh? F for what?
Well, 35.
It will be how many?
35.
Positive 35. Do you have any like term in this question?
Yes, 21x and negative 10x.
It will be
Negative 21 minus 10x.
negative 21 minus 10. It will be how many? You will add or subtract here, Yusuf?
Subtract.
Negative 21 minus
sorry. تبقى 31 31.
أيوة. Negative 31x
plus 35.
plus 35. Thank you so much. Thank you. Is there anyone made it like this? Anyone found the answer like this?
Yes, but I forgot the last.
You forgot the last one. Okay. Let me give you another question. It will be your turn now to send your answer in WhatsApp group. First, 5x minus 4, 5x minus 4. What is the answer? I'm waiting grade 8.